what is it that you really want? What is it that you really love doing? And I'm asking them, what is it that you are willing to do without asking for money? Without getting paid for, spending hours and hours without to charge somebody or without to getting paid for it. And that is your passion. The only ROI you get is your peace and happiness and the love that you're doing it because you're loving it. Talking about the path to freedom with in the material world is one thing, but the inner world is pretty important too, if not even more important. Because what did we learn? If you watch my content, you know the outer world reflects the inner world. And we can work on stuff, on our strategy as much as we can, but if we haven't aligned inside, then it won't work. Basically, the inner world is 60% and 40% is the outer world. All right, so now I want you to reflect on all these things that we're talking about, and remember that the path to freedom is not linear.